just arrived this brand new Land Rover Defender 110 X Dynamic SE. Hands down, the #1 price car for sale in the UK to buy today. So before you call us and ask for any discount, do your research, because it is the best price car. It is £3,000 or £4,000 cheaper than anything else. On top of it being an X Dynamic SE, it's got a sliding sunroof, it's got a contrasting black roof, it's got upgraded 20-inch wheels, it's got a Towbar detachable as well. So it's got beautiful spec. X Dynamic gives you all this lovely styling. So you've got the X Dynamic around the arches, that gloss black finishing. The under sections here, that section in gloss black just adds to that look of the car and just adds to the whole presence of the car. Automatic LED headlights at the front as well, with the car being an SE. You've then got this dynamic styling that runs all the way around the arches and all the way along the sides to the rear of the car. 20-inch wheels finished in satin grey, which are beautiful. You've then got fixed side steps in gloss black, fantastic extra. And then what's lovely about this car, so it's Eiger Grey, you've then got privacy glass, contrasting black roof, gloss black roof rails. Then they've got the X Dynamic styling that runs all the way around the back. So the car looks really, really nice. And it is priced fantastically well. It's done 10 miles. You've got 3 years Land Rover warranty. You've got 3 years Land Rover Assist. Let me show you inside. So it's all keyless entry. You press the door and it opens. And then let me show you what you get with an SE. So we've got memory seats. We've got Meridian sound system. You can still, the car's still got the stickers on. We've got, even the kick plates here have still got the blue stickers over. It's covered 16 miles. 16 miles. Beautiful inside. Smells brand new, as you would expect. It is a brand new car, pretty much. And then if we start the car up, and I'm just going to show you some key features. So this car's got digital display, so we've got digital dash in the centre. Now that, trust me, isn't just straightforward, because a lot of Defenders are arriving with dials because Land Rover cannot produce the parts to put the digital display in. It's got it. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, we've got cruise control, multifunctional steering wheel. In the centre section you can see we've still got even the sticky surround cover on that as well. You've got your full surround top view, and you've got tow and assist because the car's got a detachable tow bar. If I go back into the main menu, you've got your multimedia, your navigation, your digital climate control. You've got heated seats, driver and passenger. You've got all your little charging points, USB points. Now if we just move up here, this is the big extra. Tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof. Massive feature. Makes a big difference. That's nearly a £2,000 optional extra. The 110 are so popular because of the space. There's loads of space. You've got the tow bar. Look at the space in the back as well. And I'm going to actually get in just to give you an indication. So if we get in the back, you've got all your Land Rover mats and everything here. There is so much room. 3 good sized seats here. You've got that glass roof, so it just brightens the whole of the cabin up inside as well. And the car is stunning. It's ready to go, this car, so if you want to reserve it, you can come and pick it up over the next 24 hours. Full size spare alloy as well. And then if we come into here, massive boot space, look at that. You've then got your detachable tow bar. You've got, that's your parcel shelf, what just clips in over the top there. So much space. So that is a fantastic car. Eiger Grey, X Dynamic, contrasting black roof, tow bar, sliding roof, some beautiful extras. Most importantly, the best price car in the UK. Thank you for watching.